Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade kombucha. First, gather your essential ingredients: tea, sugar, water, and a healthy SCOBY, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. It is crucial to sanitize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent any unwanted contamination. Then, you will prepare the sweet tea base, which is the food source for your SCOBY. This initial preparation sets the stage for a successful brew. Once your sweet tea has cooled to room temperature, gently combine it with your active SCOBY and about 2 cups of starter liquid from a previous batch. Cover your brewing vessel with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Allow this mixture to ferment for 7 to 10 days at a comfortable room temperature, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. After the first fermentation, carefully remove the SCOBY and about 2 cups of the liquid to use as starter for your next batch. Now, it is time for the second fermentation, where you add flavor. Bottle your fermented kombucha, adding your desired fruits, juices, or spices to each bottle. Seal the bottles tightly and let them ferment for an additional 2 to 5 days to achieve wonderful carbonation. Once your kombucha has reached your desired level of carbonation and flavor, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its taste. Enjoy your delicious homemade kombucha within 1 to 2 months for the best flavor and fizziness. Feel free to experiment with various tea types and flavor combinations to discover your perfect brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.